A very good afternoon, students. I'm going to give a revision of biomolecules to you. So, beta, I have explained about the biomolecules also. What is the meaning of the biomolecules? Definition of it, of biomolecules. After the biomolecules, we can tell you about. You can see it only, okay? What are the carbohydrates here? Okay. Classification of the carbohydrates. Types of carbohydrates are there are sugars, non-sugars, monosaccharide, oligosaccharide, disaccharide, tri and tetrasaccharides. Then we are asking what is the meaning of the monosaccharides and polysaccharides. This is very important. Next we are talking about this one, molecular formula of the all saccharides. Like aldotriose, we are using here the structure formula. This one C3H6O3, and for this we are using the formula C3H6O3 like this. Okay, now structure of monosaccharides has taken place here. So here the important things you have to know: what is the meaning of the biomolecules and what is the amino acids, what is the sugar, what is non-sugar, what is sucrose, what is lactose, okay, and the types of carbohydrates. Next we are talking about what is DL designation. Okay, so means is this, like here in between the mirror is put it. Okay, this is the D diagram and this is the L diagram. Now this diagram, how it will show: OH will show on this one side, H will show on this one side, CHO and CH2OH is shown on same as in the same position. Okay, and this also the same structure. Here OH is present, but on this one side HS, this OH will go on this one side. This pattern may use. Okay, next is preparation of glucose may takes place from the sucrose and from starch. Understood? After this we are telling about structure of the glucose and its molecular formula. What is the structure of the glucose and its molecular formula? What is acetylation? Okay, as you should know, as we are giving the naming of the reaction also, we have given, I have told to you before also, Wurtz reaction. Okay, is the important one. Wurtz reaction. Aldol condensation is important reaction. Friedel-Crafts acylation, alkylation is important. Nitration is important. Riemer-Tiemer is important. And Gutermann reactions, 3 are there. Those 3s are important one. And other things I am going to tell you. Wait a minute. Like Cannizzaro reaction is important. Clemmensen reduction, benzoin condensation, aldol condensation, Albas reaction, Fitting reaction. Okay, Diels-Alder reaction is important. Coupling reaction. Okay, haloform reaction is important. Okay, Kolbas Schmidt reaction, it was in your ABC book. Okay, Hoffman bromide reaction is important. Riemer-Tiemer, Perkins reaction, Manduas reaction, Witting reaction, Witting. Okay, Williamson synthesis reaction. So these reactions you can complete it. Understood, students? And what happens when is also important, and do conversion. And in the conversion once when you are doing, try to take it the things from the CH4. Okay, CH4, C2H5 means the starting portion is from CH4. Like CH4, it changes into HCO, KOH, SCO, NH2, SCO, Cl, SCO, KCl, like this. Like means you have to start it from CH4, means methane is changed into some other product. So learn those things. The methane which is changes into the other product, and acetylene C2H6 is changed into the other product. And like C2H5OH, C3H6OH, methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol is changed into the methyl alcohol change into the ethyl alcohol. Okay, like this one, methyl ethyl propenyl is changed in propenyl alcohol changed into the methyl alcohol, and methyl alcohol is changed into the hexanyl alcohol. Okay, So others, what happens when I have told to you the reactions, various types of things are urotropin structure I have told to you, and macitarian structure I have told to you. That one things are important one. So these are the things which is important one, you can take it. And in the organic chemistry, whereas about in the inorganic and the physical chemistry, various reasons, chemical equations will come according to your same according to your 12th standard board paper. I have made the paper like this. And coordination chemistry is important. In that one, what the structures are there, structures will come. Okay, in the structure we will ask to you what is the geometry, what is the geometry of it. Okay, what is the geometry of it, what is the structure, what is the hybridization, it is a diamagnetic, what is a paramagnetic, what is the basic difference of electronic configuration, what is the electronic configuration of 3D series, what is the electronic configuration of lanthanide series. Then we are asking like what is the meaning of the molecularity, what is the first order reaction, second order reaction, what is the zero order reaction for the first order. And surface chemistry, we are asking various types of differences are there. Okay, so these things you can complete it in your copy. Okay beta, so you can learn these things also. And from the solid state, in a solid states we can tell you about packing efficiency of SCC, BCC, and all the four, SCC, FCC, BCC. And next one, after this, radius and the distance, what is the difference between the radius and the distance of the SCC, BCC, FCC. What is the meaning of the solutions, types of solutions, what are colloids, what is suspension, what is solution, how many types of colloids are there, how many types of, what is the meaning of the gaseous colloids, what is the meaning of the solid colloids, what is the meaning of the liquid colloids, what different types of solutions are present, what is the meaning of the rate of reaction. Okay, then we are asking like this, increasing order put it, these things, decreasing order put it. So these are the things which is coming, so better it is you to learn it. And thank you students, and have a nice day.